This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add post thumbnails in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Jump into your WordPress dashboard and go to post section. Now you have to edit that post where you want to add thumbnails. Once you are in post editor, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on featured image and click on set featured image. Select files. Now you can upload thumbnails for your post from your computer, or you can click on set featured image, click on update, and that's how we can add thumbnails in WordPress post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.